Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi there, I'm Kyle and I'm here to give you a first-hand look at the new 18-volt 1 Plus 5-inch random orbit sander. This cordless sander is ideal for any DIY woodworking project, delivering 10,000 orbits per minute and a smooth, swirl-free finish. With 68% increased performance over the previous model, you'll complete sanding jobs quickly and more efficiently than ever. The onboard dust collection system helps keep your work surface clean, and the sander is comfortable to operate with multiple grip locations and a lock-on switch for extended use. As part of the ryobi 1 Plus family of tools, the 5-inch random orbit sander works with any 1 Plus battery you already own, and when used with a high-capacity P108 battery, it delivers up to 35 minutes of non-stop sanding performance. The new and improved 18-volt 1 Plus 5-inch random orbit sander is available now, exclusively at the Home Depot.
Welcome back to a new episode with It Started With Sawdust. Today, we're going to get our hands dirty with the cordless 5-inch random orbit sander from Makita. The XOB01, or also known as the DB0180 outside the US, can sand at low speed with a fully charged battery for approximately 40 minutes. Low speed means you adjust the speed settings to 7,000 orbits per minute. The large 1/8 inch random orbit action is engineered for efficient sanding, fast material removal, and a swirl-free finish. Alright guys, time to face the features. Operating the sander with comfort thanks to the ergonomically designed body. Match your speed with the one-touch electronic control switch that offers 3 speed settings. The XOB01 uses quick change 5-inch hook and loop abrasive paper for increased versatility. Dust extraction can be done by a reliable dust bag container, which can be found at many sanding tools from Makita. All in all, the cordless random orbital sander works great with a minimum of 3 batteries unless you have minor jobs to do. It's a pretty cool tool with decent power and high mobility.
Hey gang, this is the brand new M18 random orbital sander from Milwaukee. The sander has a 5-inch disc and adjustable speed from 7,000 all the way up to 12,000 oscillations per minute. It's also compatible with all of Milwaukee's M18 battery range. The worst part of any sanding job is always the dust. Well, this unit comes with a pretty handy dust catcher that I found really effective. The system also comes with a universal dust extraction adapter, so you can plug in your existing dust extraction system in your workshop. Even though it looks kind of small, it has the power to get the job done. It fits in your hand well, gives you a lot of control so it won't wander around your job with a mind of its own like some sanders do. If you're excited about Milwaukee's new M18 random orbital sander, give us a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim.
This Porter Cable 1.9 amp orbital palm sander offers professional results and easy operation. It delivers up to 12,000 OPM for maximum sanding speed and smoother finishes. The random orbital action makes it easy to sand with the grain or at any angle across it for increased versatility. The controlled finishing system maintains controllable pad speed while minimizing gouging for more consistent results, even when smoothing seams. The dust-sealed switch protects critical components from dust and debris to promote longer tool life. The dual-plane counterbalanced fan reduces hand fatigue so you can complete longer sanding projects. Achieving a smooth, swirl-free finish is quicker and easier with this Porter Cable Orbital Sander.